But the phrase I've chosen for the title of this talk, even though it's in English, I think it translates across all the languages around the world, based on a phrase that everyone around the world grows up hearing. And I've spoken in over 30 countries on different continents. Everyone is familiar with, it's not what you know, it's who you know. You've all heard that? It's not what you know, it's who you know. And I looked at the theme of sight for this conference, and I thought about that phrase, and it occurred to me that it underlines one of the biggest mistakes that we make when it comes to relationships, where our focus is, where our sight rests, because we focus on ourselves. It's not what you know, it's who you know. It's all about us, isn't it? It's all about who we know, who we focus on. If you want to be successful in your career, if you want to run a successful business, and most fundamentally, if you want successful professional relationships, it doesn't matter about how you view the world. What matters is how the world views you. So what I want to focus on during my time here is just shifting perspective. Take that concept of sight and not look at the vision, the sight that you have, but your understanding of other people's vision of you. It's not what you know or who you know. It's who knows you and what they know, what they say about you when you're not in the room.